What's going on, everybody? Mr. TechBot here, the channel where if it can improve your life in any way, if it is electronic, I want to check it out, see what we got. Today I have here for you is the iKross cup mount holder for iPhones and tablets. Now, before I get into it, if you find that this channel helps you out in any way, gives you some good information, please be kind, hit that subscribe button down bottom, then hit that bell afterwards, so that way you can get the most recent videos I have that I put out. I try to put out about one a week. I know I was a little bit behind last week. I was kind of under the weather, but I still try to put out about one a week, and try to get some good products for you guys to check out. So the iKross cup mount holder. Now, this is something I've been looking at for quite a while. I already have one phone mount that is in my car already, but I was looking for something kind of that would hold my tablet, my iPad, or some sort. So I've been looking at these for a little while. Wasn't sure how they were gonna to work out, but decided to go ahead and pull the plug on it. So it comes with two attachments. One, the larger one for the tablets for up to 10.2 inch screens. So sorry about people that have the 12-inch iPad Pro, it's not going to work. And then it also comes with another attachment that's a little smaller that'll work for a phone, and something a little smaller to fit in there. Now, it comes with what took me for a surprise at first, because when it comes, it's real small like that. Only stretches out so far, so you want it for a tablet. So there's a little button on the back that allows you to move this up and down to the desirable size you need. Comes with a full swivel arm that you just loosen up. You can find your right setting for it for however you want it to sit, and it's got a swivel that goes 360 degrees back and forth. Now, I'm going to actually take you downstairs to the car. I'm going to show you how easily this thing mounts in. Just a quick look. It has a cup mount, of course, and with this, what it does is it expands and releases depending on how tight you want it. Now, there are some cup mounts where the top part of the cup mount is a little larger than most, and it does come with a foam piece that you can wrap around the front here and then tighten down, so that way it keeps it nice and tight and doesn't move around. Unfortunately, my car downstairs fits perfect. I don't need to use the extra foam piece or anything like that. But I have I think my wife's car actually is a little bit larger, so I would need that foam piece. So let's go downstairs. I'll show you how it's installed. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm here in the car. Mind you, I know it's a little bit dirty, but it is what it is. We've got the cup holder mount, and I'm gonna show you how easy this thing is to put in. All right, so what we do is we just take the cup holder, stick it in there. Now, of course, it's looking wobbly. Now, mine fits perfect in this one where I don't need the extra foam piece, but if it was too big, I'd wrap the extra foam piece around here and stick it in there and then tighten it up. But I don't need that on this one. So basically all you do is you kind of mount it up, you kind of place this. I've got it for the tablet here, and you just kind of place this and you turn this. Now, of course, I'm actually turning it the wrong way because you got arrows here, of course, so pay attention to your arrows. And all you do is you turn it, and as you turn it, this piece is going to expand out. Okay? And then, so as that expands out, it's going to keep it tight. So now you got no more movement. Now, what I have on here, because I have it for my tablet, I've got these little dots here that I use to kind of hold my cabling on. So that way, it can kind of control my cables. And then take my tablet and basically just stick it right on top. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And for me, because I have that cable piece on there, stick it, plug it into there. So that way I can play my music and get a charge out of it. As you can see, final product kind of sits in there. You kind of right at hand's reach. Not a problem. It just works out pretty good. And for me, I still keep my car holder right there, and put my iPad right here. So I kind of usually play my music out of here and keep my maps up on my phone. since this is just a Wi-Fi enabled device, so it I don't have the GPS ability on here. So now that we showed the install, that it's super easy, super secure. It doesn't really move around that much. I've been driving around with it for probably a couple weeks now, with my normal regular 9.6 screen iPad on it, and I don't really have it move around. Like I said, I do recommend some of those little cable buttons that they have that you can put your cable on, so that it's not all over the place. But it's a pretty secure item. I still like my mount for my phone up on my dash, because if I'm doing a video call, something of that nature, it's right there front, whereas this one's kind of looking up. It depends on what you want, but well recommended. It does retail for $24.99. Again, it uses universal compatibility for iPhones, tablets, with screens that range from 7-inch to 10.2-inch screens. Has the security mount vehicle for cup holders, easy installation, 360-degree ball joint movement. And that's the nice part about that ball joint, is once you get it set, it's not moving anywhere, unless you really got to turn it to make it happen. So if it's something that you guys have been looking for, wasn't sure if you wanted to pull the trigger on it, the iKross cup mount holder, yeah, I'll continue to use it. So I do recommend it. If you have any other questions on this, please feel free to send me a message, make a comment on the video. I'll be more than happy to answer anything that you don't feel that I touched upon that you need more information on. As I said in the beginning, if you like this video and this video has helped you in any way, or any of my other videos have helped you in any way, please hit that subscribe button down below, and then hit that bell right afterwards, so that way you get the most up-to-date videos that I put out weekly. Other than that, if you need anything else, have any other ideas, have any items that you are maybe on the fence about that you're not sure about, let me know what those are. IM me, message me. You can find me on Facebook at Mr. TechBot. Again, there's a link for my Facebook account down there. Send me a message. Let me know what it is that you're interested in. I'll get it. I'll check it out, and I'll let you know what if it's worthwhile. So that's all I got for you. As always, let me know what it is that you tech.